Okay, we're going to show you how to make a lap lane reservation at the Ore Valley Community and Recreation Center from a desktop. So the first thing you want to do is log in, and you can't see the icon here because I've already logged in, but there will be an icon that says log in. Select that. It'll prompt you to put in your username and password, and once you've done that, you'll be directed back to the catalog, and the first thing we're going to do is select Community Center Lap Lane Reservations tab right here. And from here, we're going to see the image of the pool, which has which lane is which, and then below you'll see the availability grid. So we want the 12th, so we're going to click over to the 12th, and then we want to do 3 to 4 p.m. So we're going to select a later time, and we see right here lane 6 is available, so we're going to select that rectangle. And from here we have our available time, so 3 p.m. and we're going to want to do it all the way to 4. We could do 3:30 if we'd like. We can do 30 minutes now, but we're going to select the full hour, and we go ahead and add to cart, and then we're going to select checkout down below. And now we're going to review the transaction so we make sure that everything looks correct, and then you complete transaction. And from here it generates a receipt, and we can see everything looks correct. It'll also email us that receipt. We can print it if we'd like. So now we're all set to go for the 12th. And now I'll show you how to go ahead and cancel that transaction if you like. So first we'll go to Account, and from here we're going to select Transaction History. And then we'll see we want to select reservations. A note about canceling your reservations is you can do it a day or two ahead of time, but you cannot do it from your online account the day of. You still will need to call us to make that cancellation, but you can do a day or two ahead online. So once we're here and we selected reservations, we're going to go over to this actions icon, and we're going to select refund. Although we did not pay for the transaction, this is how the system recognizes it. So we select refund and then submit, and then are you sure? Okay. And there you go. We've canceled that reservation, and we're all set.